Hello! So today I was hoping I would do a quick tutorial about how you could glow two different ways. The first way is the quick, easy way if you don't have a lot of time and you're in a rush to get out the door, and the second one is kind of for like a longer lasting glow. Okay, so here we go. So the first method, I'm going to be using Glossier's Future Dew along with Tati Beauty's Blendiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some product right on the back of my hand, just like that. And I'm gonna bend my Blendiful and just really soak up that product, just like that. And then you just kind of want to like dab it onto the surface. This product's really great because especially if you're using it on a darker complexion, there's no tint to it. I can literally see my reflection in here. It's so good. Okay, so the second way, it's for if you want a really long lasting shine that's gonna last like literally all week. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a damp beauty blender, and not many people talk about this brand, but it's a cult favorite. They have all different formulations. They have a really classic balm formulation that's kind of like more solid, but my favorite is actually the liquid version. The brand is called Turtle Wax, and I like this super hard shell liquid wax. So again, I'm just gonna get some product just on the back of my hand, just like we did with the Future Dew. And we're just gonna dab our beauty blender and get all that product. So we have the Future Dew here. So we're just gonna move up a little bit, and you just kind of wanna dab the product in. Now this is a longer process because you kind of have to wait for it to set. You don't have to use setting powder or anything, it's self-setting, but just give it a few seconds. So now you can kind of see where I've used the beauty blender. I'm going to use a makeup remover because it's really good at removing all the residue. And you're just going to wipe it all off. Just like that. So you can see like how shiny, like do you see my reflection? Like this is the Glossier. And then you can still see my reflection up here, and that's where I use the turtle wax. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial and hope to see you soon. Bye!